So this is the custard that I made with baked cassava cake. Let's find out if it's turned very good, my friend. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's my cassava. The eggs went at the very bottom. And it's very soft. It's watery. Yes, 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 yes. So, I think it's okay. 2026. I did not follow the recipe. I just made my own. Yeah. It's good. And this, you know what happened? The eggs went at the very bottom. So, look at this. It got water on it. That's like soup. It's fine. It's just trying it, the new creation. Sinabawan na custard. That's a good title. It's a soup. This is a 2026 new creation of Feldor.